guys, welcome to Shag Shop. I'm gonna do a quick walk around of one of my two vehicles. This is the one you'll see me working on most on the channel. It is a 1994 Jeep Wrangler, and it's got some issues and whatnot, but I'll go through all those in just a minute.
Hey Mom, look, the boys are back in town.
I'm gonna go tip the butt here on my Jeep and just kind of showing you some of the things I have done to it. For starters, on the tip here, we've got this eBay bumper. Couldn't tell you the brand. The paint's chipping off of it. It looks like garbage. It's one of the many things I plan on revisiting. I've got this winch. I've had zero issues out of this. It's Rugged Ridge. I've had, like I said, zero issues. I ran over the controller, so I haven't used it in a while. That was my stupid. And I've got these Amazon pod lights. They work great. I've had these things probably 3 years now, so I couldn't even tell you the company or whatever, but it's all the same, no difference. And after that, we've got these LED headlights. These things are super bright. They don't really project like a solid beam though, so they're more of like an area projector. So honestly, these are more useful than these as headlights, but it works either way. And then we get to the exciting part. Right here, I've got this Jeep originally came with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder Jeep motor. And probably about, I would say 4 years ago, I put these 35s on it. And when I did, the 4-cylinder just took a shit. It just dumped on me. And so I was stuck with the dilemma. Do I rebuild the 4-cylinder, drop a couple grand on the 4-cylinder, trying to make some more power, or do I put something cool in it? So this is where we're at. I decided to go and find a scrap Dodge Dakota, 1998, and we stole the 5.2 liter Magnum V8 with an AX15 transmission, made it together with an MP231 transfer case, and we took the whole driveline out of that truck and shoved it in this Jeep. One of the many projects that the next project I'll be working on for this will be the wiring harness for this thing. It runs and drives now fine. It's not great, it's just fine. So I've got a whole new standalone ECU system. I'm gonna be able to go back through and gut a lot of this wiring, make it look a lot nicer. As you can see there, I've got a really nice yellow top Optimum battery. That thing is old, really old. I couldn't even tell you how old. And I've had zero issues out of it. So coming from there, I've got these fenders that I don't remember the brand, but I've got these metal flat fenders. These are pretty cool. They've got vents in the sides on both sides. Helps extract a little bit of heat out of the engine bay because the V8 gets super hot. As you can see here, I've got War Wagon written across both sides of the hood. I've got a high lift jack because, well, obviously the factory jack is gonna be way too short for this thing. So then coming back further, you can see I've got some 35-inch Discover Cooper ATT Pros, or I'm sorry, STT Pros. Excellent tires, 10 out of 10 would recommend. They're great. I've got a 4-inch zone suspension lift with an 1.5-inch body lift. And from there, I've got more flat fenders. I've got this eBay rear bumper right here. It's pretty bad. I mean, it's gotten the job done for the couple of years, but with this 35 on here, it just kind of, it doesn't do what I need it to do anymore. It's really, as you can see, the whole damn bumper, the whole bumper is moving off of its frame, pretty much. It's really sketchy. It shakes the whole Jeep going down the road. It's something that I plan on fixing. Some other less obvious mods are I have Tom Woods drive shaft in the rear. It's the slip yoke eliminator kit with the extreme extreme I forget exactly what it's called, but they're an awesome company. They sent me, I told them that we were making videos, and they sent me a shirt and new stickers, and I was supposed to be wearing the shirt, but stuff happens. Anyways, and so I've got a new sticker as well, and I'm in the middle of a move, so I've lost all my stuff at the moment. But when I find that new sticker, I'm gonna replace this one, because this one is, as you can see, it's old and crinkly. But they're awesome. They sent that to me. I didn't have to, all I had to do is just ask them for it, and they were like, yeah, we'll send you stickers. They're great. As you can see here, I've got 15% tint all the way around, and I've got 50 on the windshield. And you can see in the reflection there, you can see it's camper build. That's coming along very nicely. Back over here. The interior is also a place that needs quite a lot of work. As you can see, I don't have any door cards for the doors. I've also, this hardtop did not come on this Jeep. I actually bought it from a dude, and he cut me a super good deal on it. The interior is, like I said, needs a lot of work. It's my daily. I don't treat it like I should. Eventually, all of this you see here is getting completely redone. These seats right here, I'm getting this fixed. I'm actually gonna have a center console. That's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna put my original grenade shifters back on here. I got this one, but I had another one. They go on the transfer case here, but none of my dash lights work at the moment. I've got these really cool LED lights underneath the dash that shine down, and they're red, and they look really sick. But like everything else on this Jeep right now, it's in disrepair and needs to be fixed. So I've got a lot to work on for this thing. So definitely be looking forward to, in the future, seeing lots of content coming from this old gal. Y'all take it easy out there.